In front of me is DOOGEE Fire 7 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Settings and click on this section called Connected Devices right away. Then choose Pair New Device at the top and wait for available ones to show. When they do, click on the one you wanna connect to. Tap on this switcher next to also allow access to contacts and call history to enable or disable it. And when you're ready, hit pair at the bottom right corner of the pop-up. Now wait for the other device to accept your connection request, or quick tip, if you are trying to connect to another phone or to a tablet, you need to accept it manually on the second device. Either way, my devices were successfully connected. To manage this connection, use gear icon next to your device. And either use those switchers to switch on or off those options. Click on Connect to reconnect right now. This option is really helpful, for example, if you want to reconnect to your headphones. Or forget this device completely until you decide to pair again. If you do that, make sure to tap on Forget Device in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!